Didn't see you there. Welcome to our new cooking show, Nuke It, where all we use in my kitchen are microwaves. I'm your host, Chef Applefrider III. Today's guest is De'jah. She's a normal student just like you, and she is hungry. Today's dish is eggs and bacon. Do you normally get to eat breakfast?
Nope.
Why not?
Because I'm lazy.
You like to sleep?
I love to sleep.
Well, this is the perfect way to get your breakfast. This meal is really quick. Let's make that food.
Make it.
You're gonna need 2 eggs for your eggs.
Next is a cup. Put the eggs in.
You're also gonna need a mixing thing.
Don't forget your measuring spoon.
And you're gonna need some spray stuff so it doesn't get sticky.
Pepper. You need pepper.
You need some milk. Delicious 2% milk.
Ooh. Salt. Feeling salty? Put some salt in your eggs.
Okay, now we have all the things that we need. Now we can make our eggs.
Yes.
Have you made eggs in a microwave before?
No, I haven't.
Well, now you are. Okay, the first thing we need to do is take some spray. And spray the container that we're going to put the eggs in, which is this mug. Would you like to do the honors?
Of course.
You gotta shake it up. Good enough. I think that's good.
I think so too.
Okay, the next thing we're going to do, take these eggs, crack them in there.
How many eggs are we going to crack in?
We're only going to use 2 of these eggs.
2.
Would you like to crack one?
Yeah. What?
I'm actually awful at this, and we'll see how this goes. Yeah! Got him!
Get him.
Okay, so now that we have done that good junk, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of milk.
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 Milk. Careful.
There's like 1.5. Wait, we need 2.
Oh. Yeah.
There we go! Okay, so now we got that taken care of. We're a mess. Okay, now we're gonna need some salt and pepper. Okay, which one would you like to do? Pepper or salt?
Pepper.
Okay. Oh my god, how?
What is this?
Oh. What the what?
Someone's getting tired.
No. Okay. I'm not really sure how much salt we need, so we'll just...
As much as you like.
I feel like that's enough. Yeah?
Yeah. One shakes or 2?
2. Wait, that's all. That...
Yeah. 2. 1.
2?
1.
What's up to you?
I'll be back. I get it. Funny. Make it rain.
Okay, now we got to mix it. The problem with this, you see, this is too tiny to mix it in. So, we're not gonna use this. You should use a fork. Don't be like us. We make mistakes too sometimes. We're only human. It actually worked!
Mix again, mix again. Mix again, mix. Whip, real good. Yeah. Whip it through the glass. I'm blowing money fast, y'all.
I can't dance. Is it mixed?
It looks nice.
There you have it. It's mixed. Now, I think it's time to nuke it.
Nuke it.
Nuke it.
Okay, now audience, we're gonna put this egg into the microwave, shut the door, and we're gonna nuke it for 1 minute and 45 seconds. You got that? Nuke it. Don't forget to put the plate on top because we forgot to do that. Dumb us. You're gonna take it out halfway through. Stir it. Just stir it. Just stir it really good. Stir it as much as you want. Just stir it. Stir it. Put it back in.
Then you let it sit for 30 whole seconds. It will look a little bit watery at first, but while it's sitting, that's when the rest of the cooking will take place. And there, we have a first part of our meal. Eggs!
Look at that bacon. Woo-wee! That's some good bacon.
There you need a plate so you can put your bacon on a plate.
Paper towels. Stay clean. Clean.
Now, our next dish is bacon.
Bacon.
Do you like bacon?
I love bacon.
I love bacon too.
Bacon,
Let's
bacon.
make it. Okay, so for this, you have your paper towels and you're gonna put them on the handy dandy plate. So, these are really cheap, so we're going to use multiple ones. So we're going to count this as 1 paper towel and 2 paper towel.
2 paper towels.
And now we're going to put 5 pieces of bacon on this plate.
5.
That's some good looking bacon.
1
bacon.
2 bacon.
Oh wow.
3 bacon.
That's some bacon.
4 bacon.
They're like on top of each other. I think that was falling off the plate. You might want to make sure you have a big enough plate for your bacon. 5! Wait. Why are they so far apart?
5 bacon.
5 bacon.
5.
And now, before you put it in the microwave, you're going to take another paper towel, put it on top of your bacon. Then, you're going to put it in the microwave and nuke it.
Nuke it. Alright, now we're gonna put the bacon in the microwave and put it in for 4 minutes. 4 minutes? Yes, sir. Ooh, look at that bacon sizzle. Crackling, 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 crackling. Okay. Okay. Crackling. Open it. Do not touch it with your hands. I am an idiot. I'm just an idiot. It's hot. It's gonna be hot. It's so hot. Use something else. Hot. Burn, baby, burn. Just go.
Now that the bacon is done, our breakfast is now complete.
Let's eat.
Ah, look at this bacon. It's so crisp. Look at those eggs.
Good eggs. From the golden goose itself.
Now we're gonna have a taste tester taste it, and then they will rate it on how good it is or how bad it is. Let's go. Okay, today our taste tester is Takuma. Okay, now try our food. First, he's trying the eggs.
Eggs.
So good.
Okay, now the bacon.
Hear that crisp. Nice
So
and crunchy.
crispy. Yeah.
If you were to rate our breakfast, what would you rate it? 1 potato or 5 potatoes?
Of course, 5 potatoes.
There you have it, 5 potatoes. And there you have it. That's how you make a quick breakfast for your busy life. This was your host, Chef Applefrider III on Nuke It. Join us next week for our next show.
Next time on Nuke It.
De'jah, what are we gonna make?
We're gonna make meatloaf.
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 I love meatloaf. What else are we making?
Potato.
Potato?
Potato.
Baked potato?
Baked potato.
Ooh, good potato.
Delicious.
Join us next time.
Do-do-do-do-do.